After 60, there's a truth that we often don't share out loud. And it is no one really wants your stuff. They don't want to be able to have to deal with what you are leaving behind unless you are intentional in what it is you're leaving behind. That it feeds a purpose. These playthings that you're leaving, if they have meaning, then people know what to do with them because you've left some notes to go with it. I'm sharing this is because in my own life, I am a solo ager. And I collected a whole bunch of stuff over the years, thinking I was going to write this, write that. I was going to create this. I was going to do this. And now as I'm getting to that point, I'm in my 70s. And being a solo ager and not owning my own home, and there's a story there, and I don't have children, the extended family around me, so I am living this life. I realized that of all the things that I had collected, I've got to start getting rid of it. I can't have a storage space full of stuff, so I got rid of most of it. Whatever I still wanted, I brought with me in those plastic boxes, different sizes, and I've gotten that all now down to I've got a suitcase and I've got 8 boxes. And most of that is just some books and some notes that I'm still going through. But I'm having the time of my life writing and bringing all of what it is that I wanted to do to the foreground, figuring out what I need, deleting files galore, because I wanted to figure out what was my life purpose now. Now, that word purpose gets in our way sometimes. Maybe that's a way of saying it as well. And what I did was I thought about what does purpose mean for me? Now, life purpose, I turned it around and said, what's my legacy purpose? And I said, okay, legacy is about the gifts that I share. And those gifts are my what's, my time, effort, and money. And I'm sharing them so others might learn something from me, or we learn together, because I'm going to live the legacy I intend to leave. So the purpose really came down to how could I express it? And I said, you know what? I think one of the best ways is to figure out where you share, you educate. That's a phrase that I use. And I turned and said, where I educate, oh, my life purpose is about educating about something. And I thought that was a really simpler way in which to look at my contributions through this legacy lens. And so I said, okay, mentor, guide, celebrant, instructor, what words would I use to describe my educator approach, my education approach? And that gave me the greatest insights into my now legacy purpose. I encourage you to think through that. There's some notes down below in the description that you can play around with. Ask questions down below as well. And I'll certainly get back to you and share my thoughts, and we can learn together. So let's have fun taking a look at purpose and our aging after 60.